Sorry, that was probably way too much for you guys, but I was just trying to get myself pumped up after knowing this bad news. I'm flying out to Mexico tomorrow. I'm gonna spend my Christmas and New Year's Eve there with Alex and his family. He's already down there in Playa del Carmen with his best friend Kai. If you guys haven't watched my vlogs last year, please go ahead and watch the vlog. You will love this place. So yeah, the story this morning was I knew that I'm gonna fly out on the 16th of December, which is tomorrow. Today's the Friday, the 15th of December. A long time ago, literally I'm talking about like a couple months ago, because I knew that making appointments for like lashes, hair, nails are so difficult, and this is like the best weekend for me to get my lashes done because Alex is not here. I get to do just like whatever girly stuff by myself. So I scheduled my lashes extensions on 15th December, Friday today, a couple months ago. And this morning I just got a text saying that your appointment is canceled. I was just so confused because the whole time they have sent me like the confirmation. Also, like even till yesterday, they sent me this reminder telling me that, hey, you have this appointment tomorrow, 12:45 with Donnie. And I was like, yeah, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this lashes appointment. And this morning I was like, what is actually happening right now? So I call back. No one ever answered the phone. The phone wasn't even like dialable. I don't know if that makes sense. It's just like straight up going to the voicemail. And now at this point, I'm pretty sure 90% of the chance that the business is closed down. They still have their business on their Yelp, but if you put the same address onto Google Maps, it says a salon that's permanently closed. And that, combined with the phone calls I have been trying to call this morning, it's basically telling me that the business is gone. I'm just really down this morning, but I decided to turn this bad day into a better day, which is why I was so hyped in the beginning of this video, because I finished my entire French press of coffee. And now there's one thing really important is I'm going to wrap my Christmas gift to Nick, which is Alex's brother. And then I'll go work out. I want to do more on my shoulders. So yeah, I hope this vlog is not too confusing. I'm going to vlog in Mexico anyways, so I might as well just start it today. Okay, I guess it's finally the time. This is so far my packing process. I obviously, like, I have my document with me. Being an international person, traveling outside of the country and back to the US, it could definitely be really difficult, so I always have my I-20 with me. And this is some makeup wipe and some really high SPF sunscreen. This is what I got from my mom. Some remote for the phone cameras, of course another Gorilla Pod besides the tripod I'm using right now. Finally, I packed everything. I have at least 6 different swimsuits. Hey guys, what's up? The date has finally arrived. This is the date I fly out to Mexico. It's currently 11:20 a.m. My flight is in this afternoon around 2:15 p.m. but I have to be there at least an hour earlier, especially when you're traveling outside of the country. You have to be there and then just like present your documents, make sure that you have your valid visa. And that's like always worries me the most when I'm traveling, because I just feel like so many like potential problems that I cannot foresee. So yeah, like hopefully everything will be fine this time as usual. And today's OOTD is just like a really comfy sweatshirt from ASOS and really comfy sweatpants from Fashion Nova. And my hair today is kind of just like yesterday, but I just combined 2 braids into 1 ponytail. I just want to get my hair out of my face. Bro, you alright? We are going to get some more snacks because snacks are important and my battery is dying, so I better end up here. This is the classic snack platter. We have some cheese, we have some really good salami, black pepper ones and original ones, some nuts, some more chips, and some hottie. Say hi, hottie.
And mojitos. Hi, hottie.
And Alex's famous signature mojitos.
Exceptional job.
No problem. It's also Alex.
I asked him, he said you did the designing.
You're blocking my selling point, which is my cleavage.
That was only the selling point to me, though.
I can't breathe.
Ah, you're ripping my... You are ripping my swing so.
Pool party day.
Nick and Dana. Having a great time. I'm getting 6th grade.
Best Boyfriend Award, 2 years running.
So my 6th grade hair look is done. I'm feeling really Alicia Keys right now.
Braids?
Shout out to the best boyfriend, 2 years running.
He's angry now.
He is angry now, but he went all the way back to our condo, grabbed all the filming gear, all the tripods and everything, waited me for like a good 30 minutes for this entire look to be finished. So now let's go home and get you some food. Right?
Hold on. One last thing, you gotta get on the other side of me.
Alright, so this is the Tulum Bow. Today is the Christmas Eve day. We are going to spend the whole day in Tulum. What is the first resort we're going? Wow. Lisa, are you feeling great about today?
Yep, it's gonna be a good day.
Do you want to explain what you're doing right now?
Yeah, I'll show everyone what I just did. Alright, so I literally just poured sunscreen on her head.
So today's a new day. We just found this new spot. It's called Playa Car. And your girl is wearing super huge hoops today. I am loving it, kind of. Just wearing super simple tank top, or I don't know how to call this, cami, denim shorts, Gucci bag. Alex is topless with his sports shorts. And we're just trying to figure out a new mall that's in Playa Car. We're gonna go.
I don't know how to screenshot it.
So it's the top volume and this
I did bottom.
Okay.
Alright, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's this huge iguana moving in there.